Wembanyama with 7 against Iguodala. Victor checks the clock. Dribbles, fades, and sends the Spurs to the playoffs with 1.1 second remaining.
No crazy fouls here. Make yourself take a desperation shot without fouling.
Booker at midcourt for the game, and no! It's a fiesta once again!
Kawa naman tiniraan ng game winner. Anyways, J Lemon Low Metallic Gold, kaka full midsoles, outsoles, at busted air unit replacement and the glue. Nalitan ko na siya ng TPU, parang boost. So napakalambot niya pag suot at hindi na ulit puputok tulad ng air unit. So sa mga gusto magpa-review sa akin, PM nyo lang ako. 1 year warranty, pero 3 to 5 years pwede niyang itagal according sa mga testimonials na nagpagawa sa akin. Pwede ko rin yung bentahan ng glue na gamit ko, at pwede ko rin kayong turuan kung paano mag-reglue with a fee, of course, one-on-one. So yan lang po. Contact nyo lang ako anytime, and please follow Caro's Shoe Restorations.